Hello friends, this video is to explain you one new amendment which is brought in from 1/1/2022 regarding recovery proceedings which can be initiated without issue of show cause notice. Now a new explanation has been inserted in subsection 12 of section 75 of CGST Act 2017. Now what is this new explanation which is inserted? The new explanation is, I will explain in very simple terms. You file GSTR 1, you mention all your outward supplies in GSTR 1 and you do a small mistake of, instead of mentioning for example 2 decimal points, you add 2 zeros in your outward supply. So 50,000 rupees you mention 2 decimal extra, instead of point you just put 2 zeros and it becomes 50 lakhs. While filing GSTR 3B return, you realize the mistake committed by you and you pay taxes based on the actual outward supply, that is on 50,000 rupees. Now this new explanation which has been inserted in 75 subsection 12 of CGST Act says the department officers can initiate the recovery proceedings without the issue of show cause notice, meaning thereby now they may initiate or start a recovery proceeding as soon as you file 3B return and there is a difference between outward supply, a difference between GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B, and this recovery proceedings can be in the form of attachment of bank statement, property or sale of your assets or goods. So look at this stringent amendment which has brought in. They are not giving you any time. You file your GSTR 3B, there is a difference, no notice, no opportunity for the taxpayer to explain his difference. They straight away come and start the recovery proceedings. They start the recovery. Is there any other recourse for the taxpayer? We have to see how the department takes this new amendment, whether they are going to really start, though they have got powers to start the recovery proceedings. But if you see section 78 of the CGST Act, there is some reprise for the taxpayers where section 78 says any recovery proceedings should be initiated within after 3 months from the date of issue of order. So in this case, whether it is an order, because what the Act says is, once you file your GSTR 1 and pay the taxes in GSTR 3B, it is a self-assessment tax. That means you are assessing yourself what is your outward liability, outward supply, paying your taxes in GSTR 3B. So you yourself have declared the turnover or the outward supply and paid the taxes. So that is a self-assessment tax. And if there is a difference between the two, we will recover the money from the various ways how the recovery proceedings happen. The ideal way should have been, they should have given some time limit like 3 months, 6 months to initiate this recovery proceedings rather than doing it immediately. Though we have to see how this will work out and how the officers are going to take up. But the request to the taxpayers, please be very careful when you are filing your GSTR 1. Don't do any mistakes which will increase your tax liability, which can be rectified only next month, and maybe department may not wait till the next month for you to rectify the error, and they may come and immediately come and initiate the recovery. So one more very strict amendment which has been brought in from 1/1/2022, and hope the officers will take it little lightly and will not, and give some time to the SSEs to correct their mistakes. Thank you.